2017 CF 15684, State v. Nelson, back from our recess. Ms. Burdick, is State ready to proceed?
We are, Your Honor. Mark Winters is going to be recalled for 30 seconds or so, just so we can let him go. This witness is, about 15, 20 minutes long.
Okay. And Mr. Lahr, is defense ready for the recall of Mr. Winters?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. Mr. Nelson, you ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, let's bring in the jury, please. Ms. Hicks, does the state acknowledge the jury?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Lahr, defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Nelson?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Hicks, please call the next witness for the state.
Thank you. The state would recall Mark Winters.
Thank you.
Camera inside the Winter Park Wells Fargo, the ATM being outside, correct?
That's correct.
What time was this still shot captured?
12:08 and 52 seconds PM.
Okay, so a minute to a minute and a half prior to the use of the ATM outside.
That's correct, yes.
Judge, at this time, the state would move what has previously been marked for identification as State's Exhibit AT into evidence.
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, well, that objection has been marked for identification of State's ATs, admitted into evidence as State's Exhibit, is that 29, Madam Clerk? Yes. State's Exhibit 29.
Permission to publish, Your Honor?
Granted.
Has now been entered into evidence as State's Exhibit 29. This is the photograph that you just identified as taken inside the state the bank, the Wells Fargo.
That is correct.
Nothing further, thank you.
No questions, Your Honor.
All right, sir, you can step down.
Thank you.
All right, Ms. Burdick, please call the next witness for the state.
Jason Sams.
Thank you.
Truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
I do.
Sir, please state and spell your first and last name for Madam Court Reporter.
Master Deputy Jason Sams, Jasonsams.
Thank you. Ms. Burdick.
Thank you, Your Honor. Please tell the court and the members of the jury your occupation.
Yeah, I'm a deputy sheriff. I'm a master deputy by rank with the Orange County Sheriff's Office. I'm assigned to our aviation unit, which is our helicopter service.
All right. Did the Winter Park Police Department request the assistance of the Orange County Sheriff back on September 30th of 2017 in an effort to locate Jennifer Fulford?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Are you a helicopter pilot?
My current job, I'm a tactical flight officer. I do operate the aircraft, but my primary job is the law enforcement mission on the aircraft, working the technical equipment, doing the law enforcement work, communicating with the deputies on the ground or the officers on the ground. I'm the one that is responsible for the search of suspects, missing people, whatever they need us for, and I operate the technical equipment on the aircraft.
And did you fulfill that role in connection with the assistance provided to the Winter Park Police Department by the sheriff on September 30th of 2017?
Yes, ma'am.
About what time of day was it that the sheriff provided that assistance?
I know the original response was early in the morning, throughout the day, and we were called mid-morning.
Is the helicopter equipped with any sort of video equipment?
Yes, it is. The helicopter has a camera system that operates during the daytime and has technology to operate at night.
And this took place during the day, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Does the camera itself have a date and time stamp?
Yes, ma'am, it does.
Now, in connection with the assistance that you all were providing to the Winter Park Police Department, were you provided maps of potential search areas by the Florida Department of Law Enforcement's electronic surveillance team?
I was provided information over the phone with a description of the area.
All right. Did one of those locations include the area of Apopka, Vineland, and Fenton Street?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And did the Orange County Sheriff's Office, in fact, fly a helicopter over that area on September 30th of 2017?
Yes, we did.
Right. Did you record during that process?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you had the opportunity to look at that recording?
I have.
Right. Does it fairly and accurately depict the events of the day?
Yes, ma'am, it does.
Yes.
Your Honor, at this time, I would seek to introduce AS for identification and evidence.
All right, objections overruled. What's been marked for identification as State's Exhibit AS is admitted in evidence as State's Exhibit 30.
Were you able to locate the body of Jennifer Fulford?
Yes, ma'am, I was.
Right. And where was that located in Orange? Was it located in Orange County?
Yes, ma'am, it was.
Where was it located?
On the south side of Fenton Street, just a few yards off of the road and to the west of Apopka Vineland in a grassy field area.
Your Honor, at this time, I would seek permission to publish State's 30 in evidence.
Granted.
It's 12, south of the CP. Hi, board. Tom Barzell. And kind of actually, it's west of the CP, that road that you're on the park on. There is a whole warehouse back here. Okay? Charlotte Maddox for 51 back to you. So there's no safety. What's that whole building? Is it near that building or what? In the field, just to the north of it. Yeah, you come down the road, and we'll turn to a dirt road. She's going to be just on the south of the trail, or the woods, on the dirt road in the field. Okay, we got to be better on that right now. You need an ETD will be 1012 with you you guys really can't hold it about it. And you know about the council. All the other key is at the 110 road. Can I get to the CP, please? And we're now getting close to coming down here. We're getting video for evidence right now, but we're people get over here. And we're going to be the detective and one of the key person that was in the vehicle. you down here? Just so you know, this little dirt road that keeps going back a little bit, actually access to the house. It's back there on the other side, kind of above it. There's, two houses back there. I'm gonna cut you a little short of it, just, get your turn quicker, but, just keep it to the west. Pretty good right there, there's about 25 yards up ahead of you, and then off your driver's door, just on the edge of those trees, left of some of you. There it is. So right now, you're just parallel. You will be on the other side of these trees. The grass line, and then, there's, trees upon those. We got time and everything. And do you see the other tree? I do, straight ahead up and up, good, right? You'll be just, maybe 10 yards south of it. Walk through those woods, and you'll see that opens up to the field, it's right on the edge of the field. And woods. You just. All right, Dave. Is there a case number generated in the, call?
At the end there, are those the law enforcement officers that you directed to Mrs. Fulford's remains?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And once they took control of that scene, that would have concluded your role in the case?
It did.
I have no other questions of the witness, Your Honor.
Cross-examination? All right, Deputy, you can step down, thank you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, in just a moment, we're going to take our recess for the day. During the recess, you are going to continue to leave your notepads and your pens here. During the recess, you remain under all the court's instructions, including but not limited to the instruction not to discuss this case amongst yourselves or with anyone else. We'll plan to continue the presentation of the evidence at 9 a.m. tomorrow morning, so just follow the deputy's instructions as to where you need to be so that we can continue the presentation of the evidence tomorrow at 9 a.m. Thank you for your service here today. Enjoy your evening. We'll see you tomorrow at 9 a.m. Thank you. All right, the defense had filed a motion to redact. Yes.